guys, Alexander here. I want to share with you one tip that will help you to improve your Facebook ads dramatically. And so basically when you have your ads and when you put your ads out, you're competing with everyone else who is also putting their ads out, and you're competing with people's friends. When people scroll their news feeds, they see their friends updates and all of that kind of stuff. So if you really want your ads to differentiate, if you really want your ad to be different, and you want people to click on it, engage with it, your ad has to be very different. Your ad has to be very good and nice looking. And so one little tip that you can just utilize right away is just, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see that, but here you can see very bright colors around, and it looks beautiful. And so what you can do, you can also have bright colors used in your ads. So if you use bright colors, it gets the attention, and it gets higher click-through rate, so you get cheaper clicks and you get more engagement with your ads. So that's just one little tip that you can use. Like, try to use colors that are for example, with Facebook, colors like orange, green, reds, colors that just get the attention on Facebook, that are different from mandatory Facebook blue color. So just a little tip for you guys, just utilize it and let me know about your results. By the way, if you want more training like this, just click on a button. I'll be sharing a lot of great training with you, a lot of great tips, strategies, how you can make your Facebook ads more effective. So just click on the button here, sign up, and you'll receive the newest updates straight to your messenger. So just click on it, sign up, and I'll be sharing a lot of great stuff with you. Thank you.